Hey guys, Sydney with P&S Detail Products, and today we are here to talk about Crystal Wash. Crystal Wash is a fallout remover that is a mild oxalic acid. It is low odor, it's a clear product, so it's not gonna stain anything like your concrete, glass, or trim. So you're probably wondering why you would choose a product like Crystal Wash if you already have Iron Buster. While they are both fallout removers, Iron Buster specifically is only going to target the actual iron particles on the surface, whereas Crystal Wash is going to attack other ion particles like calcium, magnesium, and other environmental fallout materials. The acids in Crystal Wash are a chelate, so they are going to grab a hold of the ion, they're going to deactivate it and make it unavailable to stay attached to the surface. When the crystals form, it changes the structure and actually physically breaks it away from the surface. So now let's talk about when you wash your vehicle. So Crystal Wash is going to be applied to a dry surface. So before you rinse the car, you're just going to spray the entire vehicle or anywhere that you know that you have contamination that needs to be removed. So you will spray it across the surface and you're actually gonna let it dry on the surface. And you're gonna see crystals actually form that look like ice crystals. And so this is what we talked about. It's gonna break it away from the surface, allowing you to clean it easier. So then after it has crystallized, and you can use it on the wheels also, you're just going to rinse the vehicle as normal and proceed with your normal wash, whether you do a foam wash, a regular mitten bucket wash, or even using a rinseless wash like Absolute. When using Crystal Wash as a pre-spray in wheel cleaning, this is a great option for weekly cleaning or just to kind of pump up the power of Brake Buster on maybe some of those import wheels, something that creates a lot of brake dust. But you're still gonna wanna use Iron Buster every couple washes just to make sure that you're rinsing away the actual iron particles. So once you have washed your vehicle and the paint is still wet, you can definitely use a clay towel or a clay bar at this point to remove the rest of the contamination through chemical decon, or you can just go straight to drying. When using this product as part of your physical decontamination as well, if you're using a clay bar, you are gonna wanna do this prior to using your clay media. Unlike Iron Buster, you will use Iron Buster after you clay the vehicle. Crystal Wash is a great formula to use when you are getting ready to coat a car because we're making sure we're getting rid of the invisible contamination. It's also great to use on already ceramic coated cars because it's gonna help unclog those pores and reactivate the hydrophobic properties of that ceramic coating. So I hope this has helped you learn a little bit more about Crystal Wash today. For more information, stay tuned right here at the P&S YouTube channel.